Come along as we unbox our Natural Watercolor Kit. Each kit includes 7 2-ounce packets of earth and mineral pigments: ultramarine blue, orange ochre, yellow ochre, burnt sienna, emerald green, ultramarine purple, and Venetian red, as well as 7 watercolor pans for storage, 3-ounce packet of gum arabic powder, and complete mixing instructions. To create your binder, mix hot water, gum arabic powder, and honey. Start by mixing the pigment and binder with your palette knife so they can begin to incorporate with each other. Use a glass muller to ensure a smoother final product. Even little hands can join in. Making your very own natural watercolors has never been easier. Once thoroughly mixed, you can scrape it up and add it to the provided pan, or get creative and use bottle caps, seashells, etc. Order today.